guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Brainventor and let's start the series on Arduino. So today we'll discuss how can we control a RGB LED and also control more than one LED and also blink more than one LED, and with the two types of program, one for loop and one for normal, and at last we use fading technique. Okay, so let's start. So at first we just use a RGB LED. So you can look here, this is a one type of RGB LED that I make because I can't go outside my house for this home quarantine. Stay home, stay safe. That's why I make my own RGB LED. Okay, I just solder it all universal ground pin and then that's it. As previous video, you know that how can connect a resistor. We used to connect the per resistor for that, and we used this to connect the supply, that 5-volt supply. We use a 3.5 volt, 3.3 volt. I just use 5 volt. Okay, and it will pin 9, 10, 11 because the 3 pins are PWM pin. That's why you're using. So let's see our program. Okay, then welcome to Arduino IDLE, and this is my RGB program, and I just make global variables to indicate red LED, green LED, blue LED, and also declare the pins, and that's the output. And here I make my own custom function, and int red value, green value, blue value. Red is 255. You know that 0255 is PWM pin. We also make a dedicated video for show you that what is a PWM pin and its purpose. Okay, so wait for it. And this is 255 minus red value. Red value when you give this value is initialized as a red value and analog, right? The same things happen here. And set color, I just call my function 255, then it will be red color. 0 255 it will be green, and it will be blue, and will be yellow, cyan, magenta, white. So remember that will never become white because our LED is not that type of good one. Okay, and then it will be reverse and delay, and every time 5-second delay. So let's verify it. I think it's right code. Okay, upload it. So you can see that here red, first red, then green, then blue, then it will be yellow, green, and red, and there is magenta, it's cyan, you can see that, and this will be magenta. You can see here it's magenta, and there is white, and it's magenta again, it's cyan, and it looks like yellow, and this is blue color. It will at last it's red and green, and loops end, and again the loop start. A delay of 5 seconds. I know this delay of 5 seconds. I will see this code. Okay, here is the first program, and let's move on to the second program. Okay, let's move on to the next project. So in the next project we will show you how can you control more than one LED. So here you can see that there is a more than one LED. We just connected it the same way. I will show you how to fade more than 3 LED. Okay, so here I will show you the program at first, then I will discuss you. Okay, so here is my Arduino IDLE, and here is my fade 3 LED program, but I use it as 6 LED. So don't be confused, I will show you how to use 6 LED. You just plug it, that's it. You just have to plug it and that's it. So I use PWM pin, please notice that. Okay, make this value bright and brighter, and delay, I give a delay, short delay, and I just verify it. Okay, then compiling and upload. I just upload the code. As soon as I upload the code, it's look like this. Okay, if we want to connect more than one LED, you can be used. It can be used. Okay, so I just connect more than one LED. I just forward, I just connect the more than one LED up here. Okay, I connect 3 more LED. We have to connect some resistor, then connect the pin number 3, 5, 6 in a serial wise. Okay, so here you can see that what's happening. So at first we just change the all pins right way, then show the effect will be too nice. At first this pin number 3, and second one will be pin number 5, and third one will be pin number 6. Okay, you can see the effect, what's happening, the effect. Okay, so let's move on to the next application. So here is the second program where I use just digital write, high, delay, high, low, high, low, high, low. So here you can see that, just upload it, this code, and see where magic will happen. Okay, a beam, you can see it at my night camera. Oh, see that what's happening here. Okay, but we can make it more cooler by using a loop function. We just copy and just paste it. Okay, so here we just use a loop function, and here is the A is the pin. Okay, it will change the pin, but we have to connect the pin in a series wise. Okay, so we have to change, actually you have to change here the pin. So I just upload the code, and what is happening, you're going to see this. And okay, so end, you can see that, but this LED is universally glowing, so that's a big problem. Actually there's a big problem, it's not a problem. Okay, just plug a wrong pin and this will be happening. So what is happening, you can see it in your own account. Okay, so you can see that what's happening up here. Okay, so that is it today guys. If you like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the like button and hit the bell button also. Stay tuned. Goodbye.
Hold me close till I get out.